Any idea what risk you have taken? What did you miss? So, Emmanuel, this mini roundabout there, you did very good. So as you were approaching, you assess it was a mini roundabout nice and early. I can see that. You slow down, you check your mirrors, slow down nice and early. I can see that, perfect. You knew it's a mini roundabout, so you don't need to indicate. You looked ahead, it was an open view because there was no right road. So you looked ahead, nobody was indicating, and you went. Very, very good. So far, so good. But while doing this, you miss one crucial thing. You took a small risk over there. Any idea what risk you have taken? What did you miss? Think about the safety point of view. So you approaching, you look to the right, ahead, nobody's coming, you went. So how many exits that roundabout have for you? Where was the first exit?
First exit was to the left, going up.
Yeah.
Here.
Where was the second exit?
Going ahead.
And third is going back. Now as you're going, because you have got a road from the left, do you think that before you're about to leave the giveaway line, would you have to glance your left or not? What do you think?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
No, because I felt since I should just be mindful of vehicles.
So you're looking from
right.
there, but
yeah, not the left.
Obviously we don't have to give it to them, but what is the highway code says, before you emerge, look all around you. Obviously they're not saying you to stop for them, but show the examiner, look, I done it.
I'm saying it, all right.
Yeah, but rightly so, because it says on the highway code, just before you emerge, look all around you. I know where you're coming from, because you looked right, everything was safe for you, you just went. But what if there's any quick
vehicle trying to...
What about the motorcyclists, especially the e-bikes? If they're coming, they don't even have a sound nowadays. So quick glance would have been a benefit to you though. Yeah, remember that please for me, okay?